CxPlanner. A view, that is something you see, and now you have a possibility to save your own personal views, how you like to see CxPlanner. One of the places that we have this new feature is within the punch list assessment task, where we are here. You know the columns, ID, status, whatever you have here. But over on the right side, you have the view settings. Clicking on that one, you get some other options here than you normally had. You have the default view, that's where we are and what we see. Then you have create new view, and you have the column settings. So I'm going to start by going to the column settings. This is all the different columns that you have available, the ID, the status, type, whatever. You can enable additional ones if you need them, or you can remove them if you don't want them. So let's remove the tags and remove the type. So there's this one, the type here, and it's the tags over here. Doing that, they are gone. Yeah. Then we can do some ordering of the stuff, how we like to see that. We can do some filtering on the electrical part. Then we're going down up to the view settings. We're going to click create new view. This little pop-up box here will allow us to save the current view. That means without those two different columns. So you might want to make like a specified view for the electrical guys and for mechanical guys, or maybe just for switchboards. So you can create an unlimited number of views. Let me show that here. View 001. You can give it a description if you want to, not needed. Then you also have two extra options if you are an administrator. That means you can set it as public. That means all the users on the platform can utilize this view. So you can like prepare it for them. And the other one is set as default view. When you do that, that means this will be enforced on all new users. So when they're logging in, this here will be what they see instead of the standard CxPlanner view. So let's try to refresh the page here. When we do that, you'll see that we're coming directly in. We don't have the columns that we disabled before. It has the same ordering, sorting and filtering here with the electrical too. So it's just a way like to save exactly what you see here. If I click on the views, you'll see we have the default, and then we have the view we just created. It has a globe, that means it's global for everyone. And then it has a star, that means it's the default one. You can switch between them like this. Click, then you go to the other view. You can also make unlimited number of custom or personal views. So let's create a one which could be very slimlined here. Say that we only want to have like these core essentials. Got some extra ones down here. So like that. That might be a view that I like to see when I'm logging in. So I'm going up to the view settings, create new view, and I'm making this personal view. And then I click create view. So now you can see we have the default view, the standard from CxPlanner. Then you have the view that was made public when you're opening the page that we will render in. And then at the end here, you have the personal one. The personal one also uses these filter icons. So you can like differ to see which one is like public and which one is your own. You can create a limited number of your own views here. Just create them and they're going to stay here. You can switch between them like this. So as you see, the new views here as another way to like structure, filter, and set up the different kinds of interfaces in CxPlanner. You might have personal preferences. You might even have like a better way to showcase it for the subcontractors. So that's a way on how to do it. Hope you like it. I'm looking forward to seeing you.